Hey everybody, I'm showing off the new customization features we have coming out soon. So there's two that I would like to show off. The first one is you can change your store color now, and that will propagate your store color to any of the objects that have that listed in their palette. So palettes are a new thing. If you select any object in build mode, you have properties on the left, and in this case, we're looking at the palette property. So if I want to go up to my second floor and create some shelves here, you're used to seeing shelving that looks like this, but now I can also create light metal, light wood, dark wood, fancy wood, whatever I'd like. This just changes the aesthetic of the shelf, nothing else. So now I can paint this fancy wood shelving and design my store aesthetic around it. All users can create items with these preset colors, but people that have the customization game pass will be able to create custom palettes. So I'm going to create one here. I'll call this one dark wood. And I'll make the back of it this light sort of yellow color. Corket's calling it. I'll make the shelves a sort of dark, maybe desaturated wood color. And I'll make the back of it a light, I don't know, yellow. And now I can place this on the shelf, but I can also go to freezer because it has three colors as well. And that means that my global palette that I created can be used on this as well. So any object that shares the number of colors. So this has two colors, it doesn't have it, right? The reason we did this is to prevent you from having to make like 100 different custom palettes, right? You can create one or two palettes and create everything in your store with it. And if you edit the palette, it propagates to all of the other objects. So now my accent color is blue. Speaking of accent color, you might have noticed the store pin icon. And if you click on that, you can only have one color pinned to your store color at a time. But if I click on that, it will pin that color to the store color, as you might have expected. Let me just change that back to white. So now if I change my store color to something like this, you can see that even in the custom palette that I've created, I can change the accent color, right? I hope you guys like this update. It's been a while in the making, and there are more things to come. For instance, right now we cannot paint color palettes, but that will be coming, I promise. So I'll be able to select a custom palette that I've created and then use a paint tool to like apply that to other objects. So that's about it. I hope you guys are excited, as excited for this update as I am. I'm excited to see what you guys will come up with. And that's about it. Thank you.